Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to do the display comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme X7 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to make a video regarding display. So in this video, I'll like to talk about all the pros and cons only related to the display topic in this entire video. So first, let's start with the physical hardware differences between both phones. The iQOO 7 has got the 6.67 inches of screen size, so slightly big display when compared with the Realme X7 Max, which has got 6.43 inches of display, so a little bit kind of small size, and it's really good to use in the single hand usage. Is very good in the Realme X7 Max. So for the people who have very small hands, I will definitely prefer you to buy the Realme X7 Max. I mean small display phones, not the big display phones. And next, 120 Hz refresh rate. So both phones, they do have the 120 Hz refresh rate at this moment, and touch sampling rate in this phone is 300 Hz and touch sampling rate in this phone is 360 Hz. But for some reason the 360 Hz touch sampling rate is not working. By default, I am getting only 240 Hz touch sampling rate in this device. In the iQOO 7 device, you will get 300 Hz touch sampling rate if you use the ultra game mode. Only then you will get. Otherwise, it will be default as 120 Hz touch sampling rate. That's the thing which I thought of just mentioning before starting the video. So in terms of the panels, display panels, both phones, they do have the AMOLED panels itself, and both phones are really good in terms of the display colors as well, which I'll try to talk about in a minute. And first, let's explore what are the options which are present in both phones and what I like in both devices. In both phones, you do have the really good customization option where you can actually adjust the different color schemes, as you can see here. In the Realme X7 Max, you do have the another option which is called the bright HDR video mode. When you're trying to play any kind of HDR content, you can enable this option. And next, in the Realme X7 Max, there is the option OSIE as well. As you can see, this also another effect is there, but in my experience, I did not see much kind of impact using this option. As you can see, friends, I did not see much huge impact, not at all. But in case if you want, you can enable this option as well. So right now, these are the things about the hardware differences and between both phones. And in my experience, you have the green tint problem in the iQOO 7 device, and I did not find any kind of green tint issues in the Realme X7 Max device. Regarding the cons, which I'm trying to talk about right now. So in terms of the Amazon Prime HD and everything is supported in both phones, so you should not be worried about that. Even the Netflix HDR also should be supported. Let me try to open Netflix HDR. So in the iQOO 7, it was able to play the Netflix HDR without any kind of issues. As you can see, HDR is supported. Even the Amazon Prime HD also is supported in this device. Let's check in the Realme X7 Max regarding the HDR content, whether it is supported or not. And is a Realme X7 Max. And in the Realme X7 Max, you're not getting any kind of HDR content, as you can see, friends. So at this moment, the iQOO 7 was able to play HDR content. Now let's move to the display topic in terms of the display quality. So right now, I'm trying to play the same video in both phones. So in terms of the brightness levels, 1300 nits on this one, and I think the Realme X7 Max has got kind of close to 1100 nits of brightness, I think, around that. But both phones are really bright in the outdoor visibility. So there's no issues in terms of the outdoor visibility between both of the devices in terms of the colors. So overall, if you try to look at this, as you can see right now, so you may not find huge difference between the colors at this point. So slightly close to each other, friends, in terms of the color saturation, as you can see exactly. Not much difference, you can see exact at this moment, as you can see here. So in terms of the display quality, the Realme X7 Max little bit feels slightly saturated if you enable that effect. So that is the reason. So in the settings, if you enable that option, then you can actually feel slightly change in terms of the color saturation in the Realme X7 Max. Little bit, not much. So you will only notice this kind of difference if you watch this both phones side by side. Otherwise, you will not notice any kind of difference. That's the one thing. So this is the viewing angle. This is how it looks, as you can see, friends, exactly. And let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. And in both phones, these are the brightness levels and zero brightness. So both are really low in terms of the zero brightness. So you should not be worried at all in terms of the low brightness mode. So friends, in terms of the display, you can see the punch hole size. So both are having the same kind of punch hole size. So but the placement is in the middle and placement is in the left side corner, as you can see clearly. But overall, both displays looks really good. But in case if you want a big display, obviously the iQOO 7 is a really good option for the big display mobile phone lovers. So whereas the Realme X7 Max is very compact and small size. As you can see, slightly difference in terms of the color tone between both phones, just a little bit, not much. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison between both phones, and in case if you are interested in this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. So one more last test, let me try to turn off the lights and do the test in the low light environment, comparing both phones, how they look. So this is one thing which a lot of tests are doing right now. So when there is no studio light effects, as you can see right now, these are the clarity of the displays. Both displays looks kind of really close to each other, nothing much huge difference, as you can see friends. In fact, there's not much difference is happening at this moment, as you can see clearly. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you are enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe and also use my links in the description to buy any kind of products and support me. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.